Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fast Lane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. And today we have an awesome square body truck. This is a 1987 Chevy R10 pickup. And as you can tell from the outside, it's got a lot of really nice upgrades. This one is powered by a 350 cubic inch throttle body injected V8 backed up by a 700 R4 transmission. This thing was restored 4,025 miles ago, and when that restoration happened, this got new paint, new glass, new chrome, so this thing is absolutely shining. The body is extremely straight, the chrome looks amazing, the black paint is absolutely stellar. This is one of the nicest looking trucks we've had in a really long time. Along with the beautiful restoration, this has all sorts of creature comforts that you'd want in a truck like this. Power steering, power brakes with discs in the front, air conditioning, custom red leather interior that looks absolutely stunning, especially on this black truck. There's your AC controls in here. You also have an upgraded digital AM/FM radio. Got nice cup holders wrapped in the same leather as the seats. Very matchy-matchy. New kick panel speakers down there. Awesome aftermarket steering wheel. The gauge cluster is absolutely gorgeous too. As you can see there, 4,025 miles. Another new addition to the truck are the awesome American Racing Marauder wheels. You have 18 by 8s in the front, 20 by 8.5s in the rear. Big meaty tires, and these chrome wheels look absolutely awesome up against this black paint. I absolutely love those. They set off the truck extremely nicely. Back here you have, again, nice big chrome bumper, dual exhaust. You have a TruXport tonneau cover, as well as a bed liner on the bottom of the floor. The inner fenders are all painted. The bed is in great condition. You got this nice pad here as well to help protect the bed. In order to flip the tonneau cover back, you just have these little tabs here on either side. That'll release it, and easy peasy, you just fold this backward. It's velcroed to the side as well, and there you have it. Easy access to the bed, super easy to clamp back down. The bed is in immaculate condition in this thing. Obviously a truck this nice isn't really made to be hauling lumber around like it was when it was brand new. Other side of the truck is absolutely gorgeous too. Interior is in excellent shape. I'm gonna start this thing up real quick. I had it sitting out here for a while so I can get a good cold start of it. And while I'm in here, I'll also pop the hood so you can see this absolutely gorgeous engine bay. And fuel injection, don't have to pump it or anything. Just fires right up. First crank of the key. Got your fuel gauge there. Speedo oil pressure there is absolutely fantastic. Coolant hasn't moved because it's still cold. And you got battery voltage up there on the left. There's the oil pressure and the coolant temp. Got lights here as well. I almost forgot to mention power windows and power locks. Very nice. Both sides powered, move very fast. Door panels are just as gorgeous as the rest of the interior, as well as the headliner up there. Nice chrome mirrors as well. Black and chrome is one of the best combinations you can do. And I forgot to do the hood latch while I was in here. There's your extremely clean and tidy engine bay. You got your air conditioning up here, power brakes. This truck runs smooth. The engine runs quiet. Headlights are working. And this thing is absolutely lovely to drive as well. So I'm gonna go get Christopher, the guy I do these videos with, and we're gonna take this thing for a little spin.
so nice and cool today.
Yes, it is. And we have...
Oh yeah, we do.
Beautiful lap belts.
Yes. Lap belt city.
Let me get mine cinched.
Oh.
Very nice. And guess what else? We have
Red interior.
beautiful. Oh, red interior, yes. Power windows as well.
Power windows, a small block Chevy.
Small block Chevy.
ZZ4. Ooh.
700 R4 transmission.
Oh, isn't that nice? That means it's a 4-speed.
Beautiful setup. You can find parts for any of this stuff. You could fix it with a spoon.
Well, let's not go too far.
Small block Chevy. It's one of the most produced engines ever made, and it's used for everything and for good reason.
This is a small block Chevy.
It's small block Chevy. Let's try to avoid some of these potholes coming out of here. They really need to fix these.
It's terrible.
It's terrible. All right, here we go.
Wow, what are the Prowler Central? There's another Prowler. They're reproducing.
Yeah, we just took in another Prowler, but right now,
Small block Chevy.
we're in an R10. Oh, tilt wheel.
Tilty wheel.
I didn't even know that.
I'm gonna run it like a truck, like a big pick-em-up truck.
Luxury option.
Oh, this is so nice, this weather. Can I talk to you about the weather? It's amazing.
You can.
It's wonderful. Oh, we got cruise control.
Yeah.
Interesting.
We also have the antenna in the windshield.
Is that a dune buggy? As I live and breathe.
It is a dune buggy coming down the road.
My goodness.
Look
That
at
guy's
that.
living the dream. You, sir, are a stud.
This seat that we're sitting on,
Comfortable.
extremely comfortable. It's very soft and cushy. I like it.
I like it a lot.
Ooh, sounds good. Yeah, headliner is also wrapped in leather, visors, the dash,
Leather wrapped steering wheel.
cup holders down here. Everything matches. Nice red carpet, red door panels. Everything's just soft.
Someone non-colorblind put this together.
Yeah. Very matchy-matchy. I also love the design around the gauges.
Oh, yes.
Kind of like sparkly almost.
It's
textured.
Textured sparkleness.
Very nice. Here we go around the roundabout.
Oh, look at that trash. Pick it up for the log peak. Somebody's making a mess.
Right.
Oh, more trash here. Look at this. Oh, sorry, guys. I hate when people do that.
Drives very nice. I like how the bottom of the dash is painted gloss black. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. And
Looks great.
Kind of is, because we have, what, 4,000 and... What's... That's on the restoration.
Yes.
4,026 miles. New paint, new chrome, new glass, new wheels. Looks absolutely stunning.
Stellar.
Got the ashtray down here. Looks like it's never been used. And the cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking.
Kids, don't do it.
Don't smoke. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. It's a small pot Chevy, so you could probably smoke its tires if you really wanted to.
Oh, it's gonna do it, man. It's gonna do it big time.
You got your AC controls over here and your beautiful updated digital radio there, which I'll try to turn on. There we go. Oh, there's the wipers. Very nice.
Oh, I hear radios.
Yeah, you got these new kick panel speakers down here. Very nice.
Nice.
Speakers sound great. Oh yes.
I'm gonna say something that's insane. It's actually getting a little chilly.
Yeah, it's getting cold outside here in Missouri.
Thank goodness.
In October, but luckily we have power windows.
So we have these little pocket windows in case you do take up smoking.
The
like
quarter windows, yeah, or vent windows as people used to call them.
They're nice.
If you want to open those up, we do have heat in the truck.
Oh.
Obviously. Nice big back window, no slider, but you don't need it. Got a nice tonneau cover back there as well.
Whoa.
TruXport tonneau
Whoa.
cover. I showed it off in the walk around, really easy to fold back, and
You showed it off, folks.
I did show it off. It's
You
Velcroed to
showed
the
it
side
off.
so it doesn't flap around and make all sorts of funny noises.
I like this big old hood.
Yeah, the gloss black paint is like a mirror on
His
this
brakes
thing.
squeaking, not our brakes.
Yeah, that was that Ford Escape driving by us.
I would
This
escape
thing's
in
just-
that Ford.
This thing is just nice.
It is nice.
And our light's green, and this guy's not going. Oh, there he
It's a
goes.
square body. Oh, here we go.
It sounds good
She's
too.
got pickup truck. She's got pickup. Can't wait to actually take it on there. Very excited.
I know, the bean test will be good. And the flyby, I think, because it sounds good from the outside.
It really does.
It's rumbly. From in here with the windows up, the sound deadening's nice.
Isn't it?
It's pretty quiet, not a whole lot of wind noise, but from the outside, sounds like a small block Chevy.
Oh, it's a small block Chevy.
Small block Chevy.
It's funny that harmonica was saying the same thing. It's
I know.
funny. Drive straight, track straight, brake straight. I like it.
Yeah, power brakes, front discs, power steering, air conditioning, cruise control, all the nice power necessities. Power locks even.
Oh.
They're over there on the side. Yes, there you go. Creature comforts that not every truck had in 1987.
That's for sure.
But this one has them.
It's got a small block Chevy.
Here's the bean test. Oh, here we go.
Oh, pick 'em up truck.
Nice shifting action.
Ah, yes.
You know, pretty quick.
It's not bad.
It's still a really heavy vehicle.
It's not small.
Yeah.
But it's cool.
But it'll keep up with traffic, get out of its own way.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And it'll look better than anything else doing it.
For sure.
So, that's all that matters, really. Here we are at the flyby spot.
Ooh, listen to it. I'll put the window down. So.
Steers nice, brakes nice, runs nice, drives nice, looks nice.
Looks nice.
I don't really know.
The interior.
Yeah, I like the interior. The red on black is nice.
We got dual tanks.
Yeah, it looks like it. We have a fuel tank switcher from left tank to right tank.
We do, and there's nothing in that left tank, so let's just keep it on the right tank.
There you go. Oh, the fuel gauge actually moved.
It should.
Yeah, it went down to nothing on the left tank. Interesting.
One unit goes to the other unit, so make sure you're always using both your tanks. Don't let that fuel go bad.
Yeah. Are you ready to do some flybys?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
That's what I'm worried about. Good luck. We're all counting on him, of course. Look at that dual exhaust action, and it sounds good. And he's putting his seatbelt on. Glad he's putting his seatbelt on. We need to do that more often, but we sometimes don't. We're sinners. We've sinned. We'll get better. Oh, good God! It does sound good. Real good from the outside. There he goes, Jake the Snake. Ha! Sounds great, Jake. Sounds good. Ooh, sounds good.
Oh, hello.
Well, hello. How was it?
I love this truck.
Mm-hmm. It's easy, like Sunday morning.
It is easy like Sunday morning. It's amazing. It's comfy. It's black on red with all this
great
nice.
too. I mean, seats and everything.
It's a really recent restoration.
Yeah.
And it shows. Everything's very nice. Everything functions. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds good, looks good. That's all you need.
You ready to take it back?
Let's do it, man.